Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine 2x. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have negative number 2 sine 2x dx. Because we don't have negative number 2, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one we change for u. This one we change for u. Sine 2x dx we change for this one. So about number 16, I will put about 25 minus number 9. Next, we can do about factorization by negative number 1. Next, this one that is about identities, we can put number 3 minus u, or maybe I put about u minus number 3 to the power of 2. Now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u minus number 3 equal to number 5 sine t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 25 sine t square, number 25, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change for cosine t square, and later that we simplify by du. Now we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have number 5 cosine t dt. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1, so number 1 in here. So I will put this one gone here, and this one that is about this one. So this one we have 25 sine t square, number 25, we can do about factorization. So this one that is about cosine t square. So this one divide by this one, so we have 1 over 5 cosine t. So number 2 and number 5 we have number 10. This one we have secant of t. The integration of this one, that is about Fn of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 5. And we can find the value of t, that is about arc side of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. So about u, that is about cosine 2x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.